All right, it is Joshua Vergara from Android Authority. What is going on, everybody? And we are taking a look at, there we go. We're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S4 and comparing it to pretty much any phone that we can get our hands on at the moment. So what we're looking at here, we're just going to go ahead and get back to the home screens on the S4 here. There we go. So what we're looking at here is a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S4 and the well-known Apple iPhone 5. Now, one thing you're going to know is that even though it's called the iPhone 5, it has a 4-inch screen. So over on the Galaxy S4, on the other hand, you have a 5-inch screen. So, naming nomenclatures inside, what we're going to be talking about is the fact that the Samsung Galaxy S4 is indeed a very powerful device that pretty much blows away the iPhone 5. Almost getting confused there. That blows the iPhone 5 out of the water. You're going to see real quick inside of the Geekbench, here we go, Geekbench benchmark, that there is your performance right there. Geekbench does tell us that there is a Qualcomm ARM version 7 in here that's clocked in at 1.9 gigahertz, while the A6 made by Apple in here only clocks in at 1.3. So the Apple does have a lot of catching up to do if the Samsung Galaxy S4 is any indication of what Android is possible of, and it really is. What you're also looking at here as far as the feel goes is you have the 4-inch screen on the iPhone 5 that makes it pretty easy to grip, but at the same time, it's also lacking in a way. If any of you are used to your 5-inch screens at this point, the iPhone 5 is really not going to be a great companion for you. On the other hand, companion is the word that they're using for the Samsung Galaxy S4 because it is supposed to be able to enhance so many parts of your life. That includes being able to take your memories and put them in a photo book. That also includes even calorie counting and a lot of other features that Samsung has decided to put into the Samsung Galaxy S4 that is really just making it far and beyond less of a phone and more of really a personal assistant in a lot of ways. As far as the feel on this one goes though, it is a 5-inch screen, but what you will realize is that when you put it in your hand, it is very easy to grip and hold. At 130 grams, it is certainly a very nimble phone. It's a very nimble device to put in the hand. It's very easy to handle, and it's actually quite light. It is also pretty thin at 7.9 millimeters, and as far as the interface goes, you are going to get Android Jelly Bean 4.2.2 on here, so it is fully updated, but you do get TouchWiz on top of it, which does have some enhancements on top of it as well. For example, the screen itself is now able, let me get back over here. The screen itself is now able to register not just touches, but also the fact that your finger is close to the screen. So, as you can see, I was able to swipe in. And if you go over here to the gallery, you're able to hover over an album and you'll see all the pictures underneath. Some really, really great functionality inside the Galaxy S4 that, quite honestly, the iPhone 5 is not able to match, at least not yet. We'll see what they have as an answer to this incredible phone, the Samsung Galaxy S4. All right, so it is Joshua Vergara from Android Authority, and we are here live at the launch event for the Galaxy S4. So we're going to continue comparing this phone to all of the other top devices on the market. So stay tuned because we are your source for all things Android.